Two bikes, one obsession, zero compromises. One was built by Suzuki to dominate the streets. The other, someone took that same DNA and strapped a turbo to it. This isn't a comparison. This is a war. Welcome to the most insane sport bike battle you'll ever watch. The Turbo B-King versus the legendary Hayabusa. Buckle up, because after this video, you will never look at motorcycles the same way again. The Hayabusa, named after the peregrine falcon, the fastest bird alive, hit American roads in 1999 and instantly became the fastest production motorcycle on the planet. 186 miles per hour. Stock. Out of the dealership. The B-King, Suzuki's dark, angry street fighter. Same legendary DNA, but built for dominance, not distance. Then American builders asked one question: what if we strapped a turbo to it? The answer changed everything. First impression, the Hayabusa is a supermodel. That iconic teardrop body, wide up front, narrow at the tail, is pure aerodynamic art. The 2024 edition comes in Grand Prix Red, Pearl Vigor Blue, and Metallic Thunder Gray, Predator LED eyes, a double bubble windscreen, every curve shaped inside Suzuki's wind tunnel in Japan. The Turbo B-King, this is a prize fighter. Exposed turbo plumbing running like veins down the sides, carbon fiber panels, a wide-body rear, a custom exhaust that sounds like a fighter jet doing a burnout in your driveway. One was designed, the other was unleashed. Now we talk numbers. Real ones. Hayabusa runs a 1,340 cubic centimeters inline four, the same engine Suzuki has been perfecting for over 2 decades. 190 horsepower, 110 pound-feet of torque, electronically capped at 186 miles per hour. That's Suzuki being legally responsible. The Turbo B-King starts with that same block. Then American builders bolt on Garrett turbos, custom intercoolers, standalone ECUs, and the result? Documented builds at 350 to 400 horsepower. Extreme dyno poles cracking 450. That is more power than a Dodge Challenger Hellcat. On 2 wheels. The Hayabusa is a loaded weapon. The Turbo B-King is a nuclear option. Same strip, same conditions. Let's go. 0 to 60, Hayabusa, 2.6 seconds. That's hypercar territory on 2 wheels. Turbo B-King, 1.8 to 2.1 seconds on high boost builds. That beats a Bugatti Chiron off the line. Quarter mile, Hayabusa, 10.1 seconds at 143 miles per hour. Dead stock. No mods. Insane. Turbo B-King. American drag builders are running 8-second passes. Some cracking into the 7s. Top speed. Hayabusa is capped at 186. Uncapped tune versions pushing past 200. Turbo B-King. There are GPS-verified runs on American backroads at 230 miles per hour. This stopped being a motorcycle race about 200 horsepower ago. Raw power needs control. Here's where these two split hard. The 2024 Hayabusa ships with Suzuki's Intelligent Ride System, 10-mode traction control, launch control, cornering ABS, hill hold, cruise control, and a full-color TFT display with Bluetooth. It is genuinely smarter than most cars on American roads. The Turbo B-King, the electronics, are whatever the builder put in. High-end US builds run Haltech or AEM standalone ECUs, boost controllers, data logging, quick shifters. Some have traction control. Most don't. Because the riders who throw a leg over a Turbo B-King aren't asking for a safety net. They are the safety net. Let's talk money, because every American rider is doing the math right now. 2024 Hayabusa, $18,599 US MSRP, brand new, dealer warranty, full factory tech. For under 20 grand, you're buying one of the 10 fastest production motorcycles ever made. The value is borderline criminal. Turbo B-King, there's no dealership price. Find a used B-King for $4,000 to $8,000. Then spend $10,000 to $25,000 on the turbo build, fabrication, tuning, suspension, and brakes. All in, a serious Turbo B-King build runs $20,000 to $35,000. But what you get is something Suzuki will never sell you, a one-of-one machine. No VIN matches it. No catalog describes it. You're not buying a motorcycle. You're commissioning a weapon. You can't review these bikes without talking about what they do to your senses. Hayabusa pulls away with a deep, precision growl, authoritative, mechanical, The kind of sound that makes every car on the interstate instinctively move right. Turbo beaking. First comes the turbo spool, a rising jet engine whine. Then the blow-off valve, that PSHHHHH you've heard in every Fast and Furious film. Then full throttle, and it hits you like a concussion grenade. Hayabusa is a symphony. Turbo beaking is a heavyweight knockout. So who wins? If you want the greatest factory-built performance machine available at a U.S. Suzuki dealership today, with the tech, the warranty, and the legacy behind it, the 2024 Hayabusa wins. No debate, it is one of the greatest motorcycles ever produced on planet Earth. But if you want something built by American hands, running on American grit, that no factory will ever dare produce, the turbo beaking wins. Because it doesn't just go fast, it rewrites your understanding of what fast even means. The Hayabusa says, "I am the fastest thing you'll ever see on a public road." The Turbo beaking says, "Hold my boost controller. America, which side are you on? If this fired you up, smash that like button." It takes 1 second, and it means everything. Comment below right now. Team Hayabusa or Team Turbo beaking? I read every single one. Subscribe and hit the bell. We drop real bike content every week. No fluff, no filler. Stay fast, stay safe, and keep the rubber side down.